Hey guys, welcome back to another week of Mortgage Matters in Minutes. Obviously, I'm your host, Brent Rasmussen here, bringing you our topic today, which we get this call of disgruntled clients that are upset, generally once a month. And the topic is, I just applied for a loan. Now I'm getting tons of phone calls. What did you do with my information? Did you give it to another lender? Did you give it to hundreds of lenders? Why are all these lenders and calling me with all these offers that I never inquired about? So we're going to speak about this today. It's called trigger leads, and it's something that our National Association of Mortgage Brokers and Mortgage Lenders have been fighting against for many, many years, but haven't had any immediate success getting things accomplished. So what are we having happen here? So anytime you call and contact a lender, we are going to inquire about your credit. We call that a credit inquiry. We contact the 3 credit bureaus, or 1 or 2, whatever the lender is needing for, whether this is for anything, mortgages, car loans, credit cards, student loans. We're going to contact Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, obtain your credit history. And many people don't realize there's tons of scoring models that exist out there. There's over 100 different scoring models. A lot of times people think I only have 3 credit scores. That's not completely accurate. You have over 100 different credit scores. It's just people aren't aware that many exist in the world. So you reach out to a mortgage lender such as us, and we contact you and make sure we get authorization to obtain your credit report. It's against the law for us to sell your private information to anyone. There's lots of federal laws that exist, whether it's the Gramm-Leach-Bliley Act, the FACTA Act, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, Equal Credit Opportunity Act. All of these are protecting the consumer from lenders, so we cannot give your information out. So why, after you pull a credit report or have a credit inquiry through a lender, do other companies start calling you? Why do they know this happened? Well, this is because the credit bureaus can sell your information. They can state, hey, look, we've seen a mortgage company pull your credit. We know Mr. Smith is interested in getting a mortgage. So large national companies and even small companies might pay a fee to Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion to buy your information so that they can solicit you and hopefully convert you over to their side. When do we see this happen? We see this happen more during times when it's slower versus when times are busy. Right now, the industry happens to be a little slower, so people don't have as much work to do. So large companies are investing their money into marketing efforts, such as collecting your credit inquiry and asking, is there something you can help about? We just got a call yesterday from a client that was very upset and had 10 different people or more contact him, and were very upset and didn't understand what was going on, and reached out to us, and we let them know, hey, this isn't us. This isn't your mortgage company or your credit union or your bank or whatever place you go and get your loan inquired about. But it is a problem with the credit bureaus, and the credit bureaus do have a right to transfer and sell your information and get it out to whoever pays them the most money, basically. I mean, it's similar to, Facebook and you providing data and information to them. Once you put in, your demographics by yourself, Facebook has that information and other companies can market to you now that they know about you. So most people say, how do I get around this? How do I get out of this? I don't want multiple lenders contacting me after I inquire. And you can opt out. You can go to a website, which is on our link here, optoutprescreen.com. And there's 2 different ways you can opt out. One is electronically over 5 years. You'll put in your information on the website, and it's similar to the same opt-out that you've done many years ago with telemarketing and cell phone opting out, but this is for pre-screen offers through Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You also will want to opt out via mail, and you can actually go to the website and print off a copy that you can turn around and mail this to the credit bureaus. You can see up on top the different credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, and you can mail this to them so that they also keep this on file permanently for the mailed information, because also people will get pre-screened offers in the mail once we obtain your credit report, because there are people that can buy these particular leads of information. So we just wanted to today provide some basic education, because I know it looks and feels like when I contact my mortgage lender, he is out giving my information to all kinds of people. That's not the case. we, even as mortgage brokers, can work with multiple lending lenders or lending options, but we still use the same credit bureau that we obtain and we pull. We don't pull a different credit bureau for each different company that we use. We have authorization to pull one credit bureau for 120 days that we can use through multiple chains and multiple avenues of lending. So as a reminder here, this is called trigger leads. You can Google it. You can get more educated on trigger leads. This is what is actually happening, is that once the trigger pops, lenders can turn around and say, oh, they got an inquiry for a credit card, student loan, mortgage, and then different lenders are out there buying up that information. So I hope you learned a little bit today of why you're getting these pre-screened offers. Again, if you choose to opt out, please do so. You can do so electronically for 5 years or permanently through the mail with the form that you mail in as well. And they can get everything set up and established for you so you don't get those offers, which just saves your privacy and your time, phone calls from ringing, and text messages from flying, and voicemails from having on your voicemail box. So hope you had a little bit of education today on trigger leads, and we're always here to help. Just a phone call away at 402-991-5153, or you can check our blogs out at mtg-specialists.com, and we will chat with you all soon. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next week. Thanks. Mortgage Specialists. Driven, trusted, reliable.